Mango? Hey, Mango, you don't want this almond? Don't you not want this almond? No. You like walnut, don't you? Here. Here we go. You like walnuts. Mmm. Yummy, yummy. Lovely. Is it nice? Is that lovely? Mmm. Oh. Look at the mess you made now. Hey, who's going to clean up? Mango? Mango's a good girl. Mango, you're so beautiful. You are beautiful. Tango's beautiful too. Tango's very handsome. Oh, look at you. Hey, Mango, say thank you. You didn't say thank you to me. No? No thank you. Oh, that's not nice. That's not nice, is it? No thank you. Say I love you. Mango, say I love you. Say thank you. No? Mango, say thank you. Thank you. No? Okay, sorry. You're busy eating, are you? Are you busy? You don't want to be disturbed? Sorry. Yes, you shouldn't talk when you're eating. Look at you. You don't like the almond, do you? No, you ate all of the walnuts. Yes. Hey, look at you, Mango. Look at your eyes. Hey. Beautiful you are. You are so beautiful, my. You are beautiful. I love you. I love you, Tango. Tango? Hello, Mango. Mango, say thank you. Thank you. Oh, you decided to eat the almond now, have you? Hey? Look at the mess you made. Hey? Shh. Mango, look at this way.